have gum in. I want to spit it out. On the door, on your side door, I have a bag of chips that I can spit it into.
Here, just.
Into your hands?
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. Let's keep this on for right now. That's going to go there. Go. We're recording there. Feel free to take as many pictures as you want.
I will take as many pictures as I want. I'm scared.
Gonna have this up.
Was Erica nervous?
Yeah, she didn't feel well either.
Was Papa nervous?
Nope, not at all.
I trust you.
I'm glad. I was doing some amazing landings yesterday with Marco.
Good.
So. Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep talking. Oh, you know what's...
Oh, I can hear myself.
I can hear you now better.
And I can hear you now.
Try it again. That is so weird.
Hello?
Oh, okay. Oh, put the mic closer to your mouth. Talk again.
Hello?
There we go.
I can hear myself too.
That's the point.
I like that. I can like myself.
All right. There's your problem. So we got to go to Gratis 125.85. Let's see. So we're going to talk to the camera right now. Is that okay?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now when you speak up.
When I speak up?
Yeah.
Okay. I just feel like I'm yelling.
Okay. No, you're fine.
Okay.
Hey everybody, it's Jeremy and my daughter Kyla. It's her first time flying in a gyroplane. It's my first time flying her, of course. But today we're going to go over to Lake Matthews and show her the area. I'm not going to do anything crazy like that. That's wouldn't do that anyways. But yeah, we're going to go over there and see how she likes it. She doesn't get motion sickness or anything like that, so hopefully it'll be a good flight. And she loves flying, and she likes bumpiness. That's what she said. She likes turbulence. So, but yeah, we're gonna go do that. So I want you guys to follow along. All right. So I usually cut this stuff out. You don't have to be like smiley all the time.
I actually just smiled.
Okay. You're not excited?
I'm nervous. I'm excited, but I'm really nervous.
Okay.
Jar 7 Papa Victor. Traffic is on a 4-mile final of Skyhawk. Traffic over the runway is going around. Westbound for now. Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff. Fly runway heading.
26 right, clear for takeoff. Fly runway heading. 117 Papa Victor. Okay. My door's locked. There we go.
November T5 Golf. You're number 1 now.
T5 Golf, bud. You're still ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Joust 88. You can
You'll be
expect
fine.
a turn once you're above 2,000. I'll get back to you.
Joust 88.
And go to flight mode now. So we're lined up on
T5 Golf. Traffic 11, 10 o'clock at 1 mile, turning left base to the
bring it
south
up
runway,
to
1,500
RPM.
indicated as Cessna.
And engage pre-rudder.
Look at T5 Golf.
There it goes. There's be an RPM drop. See it spinning out. We'll go ahead and bring it
inside, T5 Golf.
100,
88, start your left turn now, please.
50, 70, 80,
88.
90, 200. Thumb off the button. Stick back. Release the brake. Throttle forward. There we go.
Roger, thanks. Contact SoCal departure start. That turn direct to Paradise. Traffic below you is 1,300. It's going to be restricted going to John Wick.
Joe 38, starting turn, direct Paradise, switching frequency now.
Thank you. South 25, update for you, traffic follows, 2 mile final, just outside the wash of Cessna, fire base for you.
This is traffic, Joe.
There we go. We're flying.
Chino Tower, very easy, 183 Whiskey in the run-up area. Would like to depart left crosswind to Charles Jam.
There we go.
Here's the 183 Whiskey, Chief there, good afternoon, sir. Stand by 1 second, please.
183 Whiskey, standing by.
You're flying. How do you like it?
Oh my gosh, like, so scared.
47.
Gyroplane Heavy Tanker 47.
I'll take 47, you can turn northbound to 15, join left base for now, just follow.
So here's the bumpy part.
Papa Victor, you can start your left turn, contact Tower South 120.12, 2012, start your left turn.
Left turn, contact South Tower.
25, base approved, runway 26 right, clear for the option, very easy to apart prior to arrival, you're flying a Cessna shortfall.
Base turn, 27, 26 right, clear for the option, South 25.
I'm in the sky.
Chino Tower, Gyro 117 Pop Victor is on left crosswind, departing to request departure actually to Lake Matthews.
7 Papa Victor, proceed on course, maintain VFR at below 2,000.
Proceed on course, maintain VFR below 2,000, 117 Papa Victor.
And 90 Echo, send up from the tower line.
Echo, copy.
You okay?
Yeah. I feel like a police officer watching cars drive right now. Something to eat after this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You haven't had lunch, have you?
No. Oh, those are nice houses.
That's Norco.
Narco.
A little bit of wind over here.
Oh, there's a boat.
Huh?
A boat.
Is there a boat?
That's a boat.
You sure?
Actually, I don't know.
There's no boat supposed to be on this. No human contact.
Honestly, I kind of wish we did just take off the doors.
Why?
My hand's out the window.
You could put your hand out right there. You couldn't have your phone out though.
That's true. But you flew over when you were first learning how to fly.
Yeah, this is when he took me on my discovery flight. I'm not as low as he is. I won't get as low as he is right now.
I remember that video. The bumpiness you're talking about?
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
Like that?
Yeah.
You just gotta watch out for birds. There's a bird right there, a hawk, so stay away from him.
Wow. Oh my.
Matty 716 on the southeast side of the lake at 3,500. We're heading northwest.
That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Go ahead and turn back around here.
I think about, we're headed back on the westbound heading at 4,800, climbing 5,000. We have U6 uniform in sight.
Lake Matthews traffic, system 47930, 3600 over the city of Corona, turning back towards the center of the lake. Lake Matthews back there, SSS 67844, westbound heading eastbound at 3,400, climbing 3,500. Lake Matthews traffic, this is 47930, Rock Quarry, 3,300 descending. We got the traffic below us.
Lake Matthews traffic, red gyro, 117 Papa Victor's on the south side of the shore. We're at 1,800. Lake Matthews.
Lake Matthews traffic, 47930, 3,000 west shore, descending to 2,500, heading towards the center of the Lake Matthews.
So this is, Lake Matthews is an aircraft training area. That's why we have our special frequency we're calling Lake Matthews. But a lot of aircraft come out here just to do maneuvers and stuff like that because it's not populated.
Yeah.
So that's why we call out position reports all the time. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Tired? All right. Do you think you could fall asleep flying in this?
Yeah. I kind of want to close my eyes.
Have a neck pillow with you next time, right?
It's very relaxing. It feels really nice.
It is. You know, yeah. This is like, now that I'm decent at flying,
Yeah.
you know, it's like, it's fun and I can relax. I mean, I'm not so relaxed where I'm not alert. I'm just making sure that, you know, I'm enjoying it now. It's fun for me.
November 3 Other stages, advise when you're ready.
Copter 3 Tesla, Roger.
My arms are so sore from workout yesterday.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Changing my frequency on 18.5. PD50 traffic 2.5 southwestern position, northbound for Ontario, level 2000 Cessna.
Look over the traffic, PD50. White check.
Wind 270 at 14, gust 18. Number 5 Quebec Whiskey, good square base to final. The traffic you're following just on the 2 mile final. Do you have them inside?
Yep, we got them inside. We'll square the base 5 back with Chino.
Or 844 touch and go only, runway 26 left, clear touch and go only.
Touch and go only, 844.
Gyro 7 Papa Victor, turn right at 21, counter ground point 6.
Right at 21, ground point 6. See ya.
Gyrocopter, Gyrocopter.
How was that landing?
It wasn't my best, but it'll do. It'll do. It'll do, donkey.
That one taking off.
There we go. And there we go. All right. You can open your door if you want.
Back.
Yeah, slide it back and it'll pop open. There we go. Woo! It might blow down a little bit because we have a little crosswind coming over here. But we're getting through it. Airflow. That was an okay landing.
That was a great landing, Dad.
Was it? Okay.
That was a fantastic landing. What?
Well, yesterday with Marco, man, I was greasing them, dude. They were so nice.
Well, that was a good landing. They're now on the ground, so.
Yeah.
I had a good time.
Did you? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah. Your caption could be daughter almost falls asleep on first gyroplane ride. I'm so tired.
Yeah, you're up at like 4 or so.
Yeah.
Oh, let's do an extra. You want to do an extra?
An outro?
Outro, yeah. Outro, sorry. Don't look at me like that. What was that, your phone? Oh, okay. All right, guys. Well, I just took my daughter for her first flight to Lake Matthews. I think she enjoyed it. Did you have fun?
I did.
Yeah? What would you do? Would you do this again with me?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah? You feel safe with me flying?
I do feel safe.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, like, share, and subscribe to the video. If you've watched this far, we really appreciate it. We're going to be working on some stuff with Henry here coming up soon, and stay tuned. I'm going to start answering a lot of questions you guys have on the videos. So until then, we will see ya.